TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let's go for a nature walk. Listen to the birdies talk. Go strolling in the grass while clouds go rolling past. Short and leafy forest trees, tall and pointy forest trees. Forest trees stand happily as we're whistling. Red and orange autumn leaves, green and yellow autumn leaves. Autumn leaves dance in the breeze as we're whistling.